Other things I want to go into detail with you as well is shutoffs. You should always come out at least every 90 days, practice shutting this one on and off. I'm not going to turn this one because it could be seized. I don't want to cause the homeowner any issues. But as you can see here, it's leaked at one time, starting to corrode down here at the bottom. Another thing I want to talk to you about is water lines to a heater. This wasn't professionally installed. It should always be copper at the top of a heater, and this is the reason why. This is rubber inside this braided line. So rubber, just like a tire, wears out over time. So this could get pinholes in it and could spray all over your nice equipment and cause damage to it. With that being said, exactly why I always recommend going to copper. Another thing I want to point out to you, she had an issue with the humidifier leaking, couldn't get this shut off. This is a saddle valve, which is a needle valve that pokes into this. They're actually against code in Indiana now, so that needs to be changed over a quarter turn valve as well. So you, again, always want to make sure that your shutoffs are working properly throughout your entire home, just in case of an emergency like this.